Welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Without further ado, let's start. So today we'll be doing this question, leaders in an array. So basically, in this, let's see this example. In this, 17 is the leader because the elements to the right of it are smaller than it. In the same way, 5 is the leader because the element to the right, that is 2, is smaller than it. And always the rightmost element is always the leader. So let's write our code. We have to return an array list here. Okay, so let's create an array list. It's just like creating an object. Let's name it leader list. New keyword. Okay, parenthesis and semicolon. Now let's initialize or define our variable leader to store our leader elements. Since I told you that the rightmost, that means the last element of an array is always the leader, so leader is equal to array of n minus 1, since the last element is n minus 1th element. And now we will add this leader to our list. So we do that by writing the name of the list and add function, and we have to add a leader here. Okay, so what I'll be doing is I'll traverse this array in reverse order so that it's easier and it will take only one traversal. Since our expected time complexity is O of n, so only one for loop is expected. So we have to traverse it in reverse order, n minus 2, because n minus 1 is already a leader. Now I should be greater than equal to 0 and I plus plus. Sorry, we have to decrement our I. Now we'll write our condition. If leader is less than or equal to our array or current element, then that current element will be our new leader. Okay, and also we'll add this new leader to our leader list. Okay, semicolon, and now we'll return our leader list. Okay, so let's compile and run. Equal to was expected. I'm sorry. Okay, so can you all see the problem here? Our array, our list is printed in reverse order, and we are expected 17, 5 and 2 and not 2, 5 and 17. It means we have to reverse our list. So there's something called collections dot reverse, by which we can reverse our list. Let's try now. Yes, we are getting a correct answer, and let's submit. Hope hope we pass all the test cases. Yay, we got a correct answer and our execution time is 1.73 seconds. Now that's good. So if you all want an explanation for this, a detailed explanation, hang in there. Moving on to a solution here. Our function you can see here is expected to return an array list. So we have created our array list here using new keyword, and its name is leader list. In this way you have to create an array list, and we have defined our variable leader. So since I had already told you that the last element or the rightmost element is always the leader, so that's what I have done here. I have stored the value of rightmost element into leader. So now our leader is equal to 2. I have added that to our leader list. Now let's traverse our array. So since we have already checked for 2, that is n minus 1, we'll start from I is equal to n minus 2, and I is always greater than or equal to 0. Why equal to 0? Because we also have to consider this element, right? Now we'll decrement I with every updation. Our condition here is leader should be less than equal to array of I. Let's hand run this. Array now is 4. I now is 4 and our leader is 2, as you can see here, and array of I, that is array of 4, is 5. According to condition, 2 is less than 5, so our condition is true. And now our new leader is array of I, that is our new leader is 5. We have added that to our leader list. Okay. Now I is decremented to 3, our new leader is 5, and array of 3 is 3 itself. Is 5 less than 3? No, so that is false. I is decremented to 2, our leader is 5 itself, and array of 2 is 4. Is 5 less than 4? No, so false. Now next, I is again decremented to 1, so as our leader is 5 and array of 1 is 17. Is 5 less than 17? Yes, that's true. So the condition will be true and our new leader will be 17, and that will be added to our leader list here. So now I is again decremented to 0, our new leader is 17, array of 0 is 16. Is 17 less than 16? No, so that condition will be false, and again I will be decremented to -1, but -1 is not greater than or equal to is not greater than or equal to 0. So that is why this for loop will be terminated. Now our array list here has 2 and has 15 and 17. We have returned this, but our expected output is 17, 5 and 2 and not 2, 5 and 17. So by this statement we reverse our leader list. So it's very simple. We will use a library called collections, and a function of collection is reverse, and we'll pass our leader list here, and then we'll do nothing but return our leader list. So in this way our program works, and what is returned in the leader list? 17, 5 and 2. These are our leader elements. So that's what was expected output. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have any queries or suggestions, feel free to drop them down in the comment box. And if you find these videos helpful for your practice, so subscribe for more and share it with your friends. Thank you everyone.